thing I wanted to address is this moisture that gets inside of the bulbs. My solution for this, for now at least, is drilling a 1/8 inch hole in pretty much every bulb that I replace and every bulb that is still good, in order to allow for that moisture to make its way out. As you can see, some of these are pretty bad, and it's obviously annoying that water gets in there. How does it get in there? Just through condensation. Okay, so you want to drill some holes in your bulb, plastic bulb, to allow the water to come out. I chose an 1/8 inch size drill bit. That makes it a little bit harder to actually start and get the hole going. You could step up the bit and so on and so forth to allow the water to make its way out. I chose 1/8 inch because, you know, with surface tension of water, if it's too small of a hole, it's not going to want to come out. If you have water in a bulb and it's still working fine, unscrew it, drill the hole, take the bulb and just like that, and all that water will come right out, and then it'll be dry on the inside. Hopefully, from there on out, the water will make its way out over time. It won't have enough time to condensate and really build up in there. It should just come out or evaporate out through that hole in the bottom. So what I do is I take this, place it on the ground. It's a little bit easier if you do it, start it straight at it, and you go at an angle. The reason you go at an angle, so you start straight to make sure it's actually gonna go in there and not slip off of the bulb one way or the other. It's a little tedious. Start straight and then angle it down at a 45-degree angle or so. That way when you go through with the bit, because you will go through with the bit, you don't catch the actual element, the LED element on the inside. So now we've got a little weep hole for the water to make its way out. There's going to be a little bit of plastic debris in there on the inside. You can try to shake it and get it out, but it's fine. You're not going to see it when it's 10, 15 feet up in the air anyways. The important thing is that the moisture can now make its way out. And while I've never tried this, I feel pretty confident that it's going to work. So 1/8 inch drill bit, put it on the ground, be safe. Don't drill a hole through your hand. That's pretty much it.